Hey, it's that time of year again, Halloween, and you guys all see the prices of what Halloween decorations cost, and it's crazy. It's nothing. It's stuff that you can create yourself. I know you can. I mean, not always like the skulls and the crossbones. You like to buy those off-season. We can make something seriously spooky with just found items from around your house. Stuff your kids have outgrown, stuff that's in the attic, that's in the basement, that's in the shed, that's in the garage, that you were gonna throw out or you're gonna donate, but you're like, you know what? It's got one more life. It's got October. Let's see what we can do with this, plus some other stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna do is build a zombie Grim Reaper-esque scarecrow. Basic principles, I'm gonna grab this piece of rebar brought back from a George rescue site. That's gonna be the post that supports the whole thing. I haven't quite figured out. I think it's gonna be arms, and you're gonna have the whole body like this. So I'm thinking, I found these. These are wreaths that my wife had. I'm gonna use these, I'm gonna cut them, and I'm gonna have them as like the hands. Kind of creepy, I think. Zip ties, zip ties. This is what brings everything together. If you had to hammer them or screw the pieces together or find some other way to affix them, glue them, I mean, it's just the headaches. This allows you maneuverability, makes it easy. I got my assistant here, so now we're really gonna be cooking with gas. It's great to get your kids involved in this. It shows them that although your wife may call you a hoarder, you're not. You're saving stuff for crafts that you're gonna do eventually with your kids. Hey, love you, Leo. It's great having you as an assistant. I mean, there's no promises that they're gonna stay for the whole time. The fact that you get any time, that's a win. All right, we got rid of the scarf. It looked too Christmassy, right? This is not Frosty the Snowman. This is our ghoul, but that's the name of the game, right? You gotta ebb, you gotta flow, you gotta figure out what looks good. At one point we had these solar lights. As you can see, this one's all dinged up. What I did is I cobbled them together, and I've created this sickle with an action grip and a light to lead the way. Ah! Happy Halloween, George. Also, secret when doing your Halloween decorations, think ahead, buy stuff in like November, and then just put it in your basement. And then next year, you're gonna open it up. That's how I got all those skulls. I was like, $4 for 6 skulls in like Thanksgiving. Huge. All right, guys, so that is how I do my budget Halloween characters, all found items from the job site or around the house or things that break, I feel could have a second life before they end up in the dump. So if you see a piece of rebar laying around, maybe bring it home this year and create something cool in your yard. Happy Halloween, everyone, and remember to brush your teeth. Bye-bye. Happy Halloween!